you know why you're here?
An interview with the knot.
Okay, well, we have a little bit of a surprise for you.
Okay.
I love Olivia to start off simply because of her smile. Every day coming home to that smile, when no matter what type of day I've had, it switches it around automatically. It's contagious. It's something that I look forward to seeing every single day when I come back.
Who convinced him to do this?
I love Olivia because she's a self-starter, a self-made, successful businesswoman. Her motivation is truly unmatched, and that is something that I really, really admire. I love Olivia's commitment to spreading a positive message, taking that and setting a positive example for young women, like people like my younger sister who look up to her just through what she says and what she does, more importantly. It's something that I really admire about her and something that I really love about her. I love Olivia because she took a leap of faith for me and moved her whole life to New York City, from Chicago to the Big Apple, in a place where it's so tough to get along and make it, and it's a leave nobody behind type of city. It's not an easy decision, and I'm forever grateful for the sacrifices that she made to move her life here for me so that our relationship could thrive. And that's exactly what it did. And lo and behold, a year and a half later, from her moving to New York City, and here we are, we're engaged and gonna get married in a couple months. I love Olivia because of the way she hugs me every time I walk in the door coming back from work. Those hugs are, it's a little thing, but it's something that every single day I look forward to coming back to, and something that will never, never get old for me. I love Olivia for being my forever best friend and making me the happiest man in the world. And I cannot wait to marry you and take this journey of life together with you. So Liv, I love you. I wish I was there with you, but I can't wait to see when you get back to New York.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe he did that. He is not a camera person, like, at all. That was so amazing. I seriously can't believe he did that. He is my best friend, and I seriously could spend every single moment for the rest of my life with him and never get sick of him. Con, I love you so much, and I cannot wait to be your wife. From the second I saw you and the first conversation we had together, I knew I wanted to marry you.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and return for new videos every single week. Don't forget to hit that like button. No, seriously, you should hit it now.